Hey, all right, welcome back to TWC Projects. It's a little cold today, so here's what we're doing. We're gonna finally get this Bob-Tach fixed. There's a leaking seal right in here, so or a bunch of seals. So we're gonna pull that apart and fix that up. So probably a short one, but thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Let's get to it. All right, before I put this all back together, as you saw, that went really well, and all the new seals are in. So, but before I forget, I wanted to tell you the nut on the end. That is a 15/16 inch nut, and it goes on with 90 foot-pounds of torque. Also, the this right here is a 9/16, and these are 1/2 inch. So those are the tools that I needed, and then of course I had one of these specialty tools that for releasing the sleeves on the ends of these hydraulic cylinders. So different sizes, holes on each side. I have a bigger one like this too, but that's an Amazon thing. Maybe I'll have that on my website at some point. So anyway, just want to let you know that. I'm going to put this thing back together, and then it might be a good day to start this thing up too. It hasn't been running quite a while. It's been sitting here waiting for me to work on it. So we may try that and then call it a day. So let's finish up. All right, so I'm gonna let that thing run a little bit, charge that battery up. It hasn't been run in several months. As you know, I haven't done a video in quite a while, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let that run a bit, but it worked great, and the hydraulic seal replacement kit was perfect, and it really wasn't a very hard job. You know, it takes a little longer when you film it, but probably you know, if I'd done it before, probably would have taken me 35 to 45 minutes, 45 minutes probably. Everything came apart really easily and cleaned up nicely and went back together real well. So I didn't have the special tool, and I'll put some pictures up on the screen here of you know, what the book shows you. There is a special tool for getting some of those inner gaskets in, but the real key is making sure that you have the lip pointing the right way, back, you know, down towards the fluid. There's a little bit of a ridge on that inside gasket that I put in there, and then getting, you know, all of the other rings back in place in the proper order, in the proper place, of course. So that's it. I hope you found that useful or interesting. If you have a leaky, actually any of the hydraulic cylinders, you know, pretty much a similar process, just different way that you might take it out based on where it physically is. And of course, there's some slightly different sizes and different torque specs. Like the side arms, I think, are like 100 foot-pounds, whereas that lower one's only 90 foot-pounds. I don't know if the big ones are probably more down on the bottom, but anyway, that was it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching TWC Projects. Thank you for helping me create things, fix things, and enjoy God's amazing creation outside. And until next time, have a fantastic week, and I will see you on the next project.